Hello, my name's Larry Burkholder, Training Manager, Digger Specialties, manufacturer of the Westbury ScreenRail product line. We've already installed our structural porch posts, so this is step 2. If this would be a retrofit after the building has been built, this would be step 1, where we deal with the 2x2 90 wall support posts. These do have a structural weight rating of right around 2,000 pounds, but yet they are never to be the primary structural porch post on the corners holding your overhang in place. These will serve the purpose when your existing posts are greater than 8 foot apart. So you can get you're going to put these floor to ceiling, so you get your screen span below 8 foot. You will also place these on either side of your screen door. The 2-inch secondary support posts come in 8.5, 9.5, and 11.5 foot lengths, and they're sold with the top and bottom brackets, which are identical, and the mounting screws. These mounting screws would be designed to go into a composite or wood scenario and are not a good choice if you're going into masonry. So the first step is you're going to measure your opening that you're going to put these in, and you're going to cut these with a 60 tooth or an 80 tooth carbide tip blade in your chop saw, or some type of diamond blade if you're using a 5.5 inch blade. You're going to cut them to length, and you're going to cut them a 1/2 inch shorter than the opening to accommodate for this thickness right here at the top and the bottom. We have 3 of our 4 2-inch Westbury ScreenRail structural porch posts installed, and we're going to video installing the 4th of 4. And obviously we're going to want to have the bracket inside the post. The slots are here for the screen fabric, and you'll notice that this hardware only interacts with 2 sides of the post, because on this side of the post and on this side of the post we're either going to have another ScreenRail component where you want a 90-degree corner to work with. So these are going to attach with 2 screws here, and of course there's a bracket like this at the top as well. In this particular opening we're going to put a screen door. So this is your 2x2 90 wall support post here, and of course we're going to install our final support post. We're installing a 32 by 80 door, so that means it is 32 inches from post wall to post wall. And I found the center point, and I have that marked on my deck. So I'm going to attach the bracketry at the bottom. Okay, what we have done is, again, we have found the 32-inch mark, and my partner has had a level on this to get the distance this way. We have the 1 screw attached on the outside, and we're going to attach the final screw. And thank you for watching this Westbury porch post ScreenRail post installation video.